All right, so what missing coordinate would make these two triangles similar? Now, I know I've worded it kind of weird because we don't have two triangles yet, but what we're trying to figure out is where could we put another point over here to make this triangle similar to that triangle? So I'm going to be honest, what I would do, what I would naturally tend to do is I would just try to draw it to make it look the same. Remember, similar means same shape, different size. So see here how we started and we went over horizontally? I would go over horizontally. I would just start there and go over, and then I would go down. This is my guess, all right? But now I'm going to check my guess using scale factor. So this unit here, if I count, is 4 units, and this length here is 6 units. And then if I go down here and I count, this is 2 units, and this one is 3 units. So these do have a scale factor. We're starting at 4 and we're ending at 2, so we're dividing by 2, or we're multiplying by 1/2. I guess I should say it that way. So our scale factor here is 1/2. And another way you could say it is you could say these sides are proportional. If you did 4 over 2, that's going to equal 6 over 3. So because these are proportional, we know that these two are similar triangles. So one of the places that you could put the ordered pair is at -4, -2. Now it could be possible to put the ordered pair somewhere else. Your test will be multiple choice, so that should kind of help clarify what the answer should be. But let's just look at another option. All right, so is it possible to also draw our triangle this way? Well, this would give us a side length of 2 and a side length of 3. And so in this case, that could also be possible because those sides would be proportional. But I do want to mention that on your interim assessment, the letters are gonna be labeled. And so you need to make sure that you go in the order of the letters. That'll make a little bit of a difference, and it'll also be multiple choice, so that'll make a difference as well.